So today dance finish. Now I don't know. It's rain already. And today I meditation on the rain. Okay, I make the video from here. I sit there. And it's crazy, I can meditation on the rain. I was inside. And it's not joke. Oh my god, I can, because on the crowded I always do meditation, small meditation on the, sometimes we go to the repairing bike or I feeling alone. So let I do the meditation. So I all bend that side also. I can do, but I never believe that. I just for the fun I sit, because today meditation around I have a, it's like I have targeted 6 hours at least I will do the meditation. Okay, so there's 4 sitting for me. I sit 4 times, at least 4 times I need to sit, because I have leg spin. I cannot sit long, very long. So at home I can sit 2 hours also, 2.5 hours, because till the time is okay. This is now the raining. So thank God. But before third round I very cry a lot, because it's very hot. I think the God listen. Oh my God, I'm very happy now. And I in the last round, fourth round finish is very good also. Not any much experience, but it's most important thing that there's something happening inside and is repairing your body. Okay, that's true. So I'm not excited, I'm not worried about anything that I'm not getting or no. Today is no experience same like yesterday. Is pinching on my back and something happened in my back, connecting chakras or something like that. Today's all my meditation go into the what is called slow motion. Okay, today whole body slow motion, and 4 to 5 time bonding and this connect, because I know it's making you strong. So no worry. Okay. And last dhyana, I don't know how much. I will check now in my video, because I'm hurry because raining. And I'll check now how much is my see, this is opening now. This vein is lots of stuck is now is good sign. So okay, so good day today. Every day have a good improvement. But now only the one thought about the work also. I have no tension now. There's some problem with some guy about the money. 3-4 days is my mind is completely messed with that. Now today my mind is completely free. So I think sometimes you have a problem in your mind also is good, because it's make you feel something that something have in your mind, so your mind can busy with that. Okay, it's not about focusing. You focus inside. You already said that you focusing. Okay, how is look now? It's beautiful come. So I finish, I think that today just fourth round my around 1 hour 20 minutes something like that. Oh no, sorry, 20 minutes, around 40 minutes only. Yes, because it's rain start, I don't want to damage my phones and all, so I have to stop it. I said sorry. Then I so I think my chakra is repairing now. So nice to that. I check my, now where I have to go. First I go to the market near here and buy some fruit. And today I think 8 o'clock go to the bed, eat on the time. Shiv Samay. How is it? So how I look? Look like a yogi? Yogi on the mountain? Yes, obviously. I live like this. So today's experience finished, and 7 days, 6 or 7 days. Every day is a very big improvement. God. Okay. Tika finish. 2-3 people going here and looking at me. One time I cry a lot. I feel today light now. Chalo, okay, let's go. Next journey.